Guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to make my first Easter wreath for 2022. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this adorable bunny wreath, you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree bunny frames. You do not need any of the foam eggs. I thought I might use some, but I changed my mind. You are going to need some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and I picked that up at Sam's Club. And then I chose different ribbon. I didn't go with the purple and pink. I went with a pretty yellow. The ribbon that you wrap the bunny frame with does not have to have wire, but you'll want wire in your ribbon when you make your bow. And I used that tan color for the bunny's ear. You're going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks, your scissors, and you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this DIY. First, you're going to flip your wreath over to the back side, and then you're going to slide your ribbon around the frame and carefully hot glue your ribbon on. Make sure you use a spatula or put on your hot glue finger guards for this part, and be careful not to hot glue your wreath down to your table. And then next, you're just going to wrap your ribbon around the frame. Now, I just did the circle part with this buffalo plaid checked ribbon. My little helper today is Miss Willow Ray. She decided she would climb up my leg, and I just have on like some leggings, and so I had to fuss at her because it hurt so bad, but she's a little sweetheart majority of the time. Next, I'm just taking the tan or beige color ribbon, and I am going to do both ears with this color ribbon. So I'm just hot gluing the ribbon on, and then I am going to just wrap the little bunny's ears. The ears are a little bit tricky to wrap, so I had to kind of hot glue like the ribbon down to make it fit the ears better on the back, but this is how it looks with both ears wrapped. And then down the center of the ears, I added a strip of the buffalo plaid check ribbon. So I just glued the end under, and I cut the ribbon first about 8.5 inches, but as you can see when I trimmed the top of it, it measures just a little less than 8 inches now. So I cut 2 strips of ribbon, and then I just hot glued them to the center of the ears. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I first took and I just added some hot glue to the center of the ear, and then I placed the ribbon over the top of the hot glue, and then I had to go back with the hot glue and make sure and glue the edges of the ribbon down. This bunny wreath form is something new at Dollar Tree, and there's lots of different ways to decorate your wreath form, so I have lots of ideas, so you're going to see more tutorials similar to this one coming up. I also have a Dollar Tree Shop With Me video coming up soon. I'll probably upload it tomorrow. It has their Easter decorations, their St. Patrick's Day decorations, their Valentine's Day decorations, and just some new things I found around the store. And this is how it looks with the ribbon added to the ears. Sorry if you hear something. Lucky and Parker are in here with me while I'm editing this video. Now I decided to go with the buffalo plaid check in the black and white and some yellow ribbon and then the beige ribbon. Sorry about that. My daughter helped me pick it all out. Now we're going to tie a big bow, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, go back to the first side, make another loop, check to make sure it's about the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched nice and tight, go to the other side, make another loop, then let out a tail, and then I added some of the black and white ribbon and also the yellow ribbon on top. So just take the second color, let out a tail, place it over the top of the first color, then you're going to make a loop, keep it pinched nice and tight in your left hand, make your loops about the same size each time, and it's very important, or it's important to me to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up, the bow just holds its shape better, and it's just easier to work with. And if you're going to splurge on something, I recommend splurging on ribbon. This ribbon came from Sam's Club. If you look online, you can order, it's like 6 rolls or so in a set for around $40, and each roll has 50 yards of ribbon on it, so it's really a great deal. If your Sam's Club has ribbon in store for spring, would you let me know in the comment section, because it's about an hour drive to our Sam's Club, so I don't go that often, but if they have ribbon in, I would love to go and get some more ribbon. Once you have the bow the size you want, then you're going to take a piece of floral wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, and I'm just using 20 gauge floral wire, and then I'm dovetailing the ends. Fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, and then it just kind of dresses it up a little bit, or you can cut at a slant and do a knife cut. It's whichever you prefer, and then just fluff the loops of your bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you don't like this bow, maybe there's another one you might like. Let me know what you're looking for, and I'll try to link a bow tutorial for you in the comment section. Once you have all of your loops fluffed, then you're going to take the wire that's on your bow, so you'll want to leave that wire long because you're going to take that wire, and I just went at the top in between the bunny's ears, and then I wrapped the wires around the frame, then I went to the back, gave the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and folded them down. To hang this wreath up, I did take a piece of twine, made a loop, and then hot glued it to the back of the top of the wreath. This is a very simple, and it turns out really cute DIY. You can do this with lots of different color combinations. I just kept mine with the buffalo plaid check and the yellow, and my daughter, she picked out the ribbon for me. So I think she did a good job. You'll have to let me know if you like her choices. Normally when I get my wreath finished, I go outside and take a video, but we still have snow and ice on the ground, so I didn't want to take a chance of slipping and falling down, so I just took a video inside, so the lighting's not great, but I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bunny wreath. It's time to do my February 2022 giveaway. So for this month, I am going to be giving away one $25 Hobby Lobby gift card. To enter my giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, you must like this video, and leave me a comment, and in the comment you must write the word, or 2 words, February giveaway. This giveaway is not sponsored. endorsed or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do a little something to say thank you. You must be 18 years or older to enter, and you must be a U.S. resident. On February 25th, 2022, we will select one winner, and I will notify you on this video, on your comment. I will just write below your comment and let you know that you're the winner of the $25 Hobby Lobby gift card, and then I'll ask you to email me and give me your mailing address only. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for all of the sweet and positive comments that y'all leave on my videos. Y'all are just the best. Thank you so much.